In this tutorial, let's learn about the components of a database. So what do you mean by components of a database? Means what are the things that are there in a database. Okay, so in a database you will find a table. So a database is a collection of organized data in the form of rows and columns as lists that are linked to each other. So as you can see here, the definition of a database is that a collection of a data organized in a form of rows and columns. Okay, and different datas are linked to each other. Then in Microsoft Access, all the data are stored in tables. So basically all the data are stored in tables. So without tables you cannot store the data. The rows of the table are called records. So rows are known as the records. Means for a particular person, a single row will be there which consists of data. And the columns of the tables are called as fields. So columns are known as the fields. So consider the example doctor's clinic, means this table given. So following are the tables that will be required. So if there is a database called doctor's clinic, then what can be there? Like patient details, this is one of the table. Then again there are other tables. There can be other tables like patient details, doctor details, bills, inventory, medicine and equipment. Okay, so these are the tables that can be there. Data in the tables are connected to each other. For example, when generating a bill, the patient's ID in patient's detail list is connected with the doctor ID in doctor's details list. So a patient ID is related to what? A doctor ID. Means these two tables will be connected because a patient will be treated by a doctor. Okay, then next, the fields. So what do you mean by fields? So a column in a table is called a field. In a field you can organize data by their type. So we can organize the data by their type. Means what is the type? Like rupees, or there is a name. So the information within a field will be of the same type. For example, the field called full number, that consists of all the entries as number. So if a field is said to have can have only digits, then it can only have only digits. It cannot have any characters. Okay, and last one is the record. A row in a table is called a record. A row in a database gives complete information of that record. So a single row is dedicated to a single record. Okay, a single patient, as you can see. So every cell in a row is a part of the record of that row. Each patient and doctor will have a unique ID. Each patient will have a unique record. So each and every row are different from each other. It means that. Okay, so therefore it is once again written that unique IDs. Okay, so in case you wish to add more details to a record, you can add a new field in the same table. Okay, so if you want to add new data, then new records will be added. So in the next tutorial we will learn some more about the DBMS. Thank you.